Sri Matre Namaha. I welcome you all devotees. Durga Puja means worshipping Mother Durga in her 9 forms. In today's Satsanga, we will know about the first 3 forms of Durga: Shailaputri, Brahmacharini and Chandraghanta Durga. You will also know the Siddha mantra to worship Mother and also know the benefits of worshipping a Mother. Now let me introduce you to Durga Puja part 1. This is part 1. Durga means the divine who destroys the evil things, which protects her devotee from all types of tantric and evil attacks. Let us see the topics which we will discuss in this satsanga. The first topic we will discuss is who is Shailaputri Durga, Brahmacharini Durga and Chandraghanta Durga. Second topic we will discuss how to worship Mother Shailaputri Durga, Mother Brahmacharini Durga and Mother Chandraghanta Durga with Siddha Durga mantra. And last, third topic we will see benefits of worshipping Durga Mata. Now let us go through all details one by one. First, who is Shailaputri Durga? Shailaputri Durga Mata is the first form of Mother Durga. She was born in the kingdom of Mount King, Himalaya. Hence, she is called Shailaputri. When we see the mother, we see that she is shown as seated on a bull. She holds Trishula in her right hand and holds a lotus flower in her left hand. She has the first position in Navadurga. In her last birth, previous birth of mother, she was in the Daksha Prajapati's kingdom. Daksha Prajapati was her father. She was named Sati. Due to her love for Shiva, she married him, but Daksha was not happy with this marriage. One day Daksha arranged the Mahayagya ceremony in his kingdom. Shiva was not invited to this ceremony. Due to the ignorant nature of Daksha Prajapati, Sati jumped into Yajna and destroyed herself. Due to this, all kingdom was destroyed and the head of Prajapati was chopped by Veerabhadra and Bhadrakali. In next birth, Sati was born in the Himalayan kingdom. She was known as Shailaputri. In the Navadurga festival, the first day puja is devoted to this mother, Shailaputri mother. So this was the story of Mother Shailaputri. Now let us see the who is Brahmacharini Durga Mata. Brahmacharini Durga Mata is the second form of Mother Durga. Brahma means tapasya of Brahman, that supreme divine. Charini means following the path of tapascharya. Hence, she is known as Brahmacharini. The form of the mother is beautiful. She holds Japamala in her right hand and Kamandalu in her left hand. She is shown in a standing position. Due to her tapas shakti, she shines like thousands and thousands of sunlights. To get the grace of Shiva and to be with Shiva, mother had done thousands and thousands of years tapasya according to scriptures. Her tapasya was so powerful. Due to her tapas shakti, all 14 lokas were shaken. Everyone in each and every loka was worried. Seeing this, Brahmadeva went near mother and gave the boon that her tapasya is incredible and is sufficient to get Shiva's Sanidhya. So Brahmadeva gave her a boon and blessed her and told her that she will be blessed with Shiva's Sanidhya. Hence, due to such a great tapasya, mother was given the name Brahmacharini. The second day of Navratri Puja is devoted to this Brahmacharini Mother Durga. Now let us see who is Chandraghanta Durga. Chandraghanta Durga Mata is the third form of Mother Durga. The form of the mother is beautiful and calm in nature. The mother has a moon on her head like a half bell. Hence, she is known as Chandraghanta. Mother has 10 hands that hold different types of astras and shastras. She has an aura of golden color. She is always prepared to fight with demons. Due to the voice of bell, all demons run away from her because they cannot bear the sound of the bell. Mother is shown as seated on the lion. She always helps and protects her devotee from any type of negative energies, tantric attacks, and any type of attack from invisible beings. Mother looks angry and furious when she is involved in fighting with demons, but when her devotee calls her, she always remains calm and happy with her devotee. The third day of Navratri is devoted to this mother. Hence, every devotee must worship Chandraghanta Durga Mata on the third day of Navaratri. Now, let us see the second topic, how to worship Mother Durga with Siddha Durga mantra. Now, here I am going to tell you the Siddha mantras of all three Durga mothers, what we have discussed before. These mothers have the power of a divine mother which will bless you and your family. These mantras are programmed by my Gurudev Sri Shiva Premananda Ji. It is the gift from my Gurudev to all devotees who wants to get the grace of Mother. These mantras are Siddha mantras. You don't have to take any diksha to chant them. They all are activated by Sri Shiva Premananda Ji in such a way that anyone on this earth can chant it and get the grace and help in your life to solve all your problems. Remember one thing, please don't use these mantras to harm anyone on the earth. Otherwise, the effects of mantras will harm you. If there are any problems in your family, you just chant these mantras every day at least 108 times till you solve your all problems, whatever problems it may be, like a family relationship problem, financial problem, or any type of negative attack, any problem. Just pray to Mother to solve your problems. Don't ask Mother to harm anyone. You concentrate on your own problems. Let Mother decide how to solve your problem. Please chant the mantras at least 108 times each mantra in Navratri to respective days on their respective days. If you want to chant every day all mantras, then you may chant at least 9 times or 27 times or 54 times or 108 times each mantra daily. Please decide yourself according to your schedule of daily prayer how much chanting you are going to do. Now let us see what is the Siddha mantra of Shailaputri Durga. The Siddha mantra is like this: Om Hrim Srim Shailaputri Durgayai Namaha. Om Hrim Dum Durgayai Namaha. This is the Shailaputri Durga Siddha mantra. Now let us see what is the Siddha mantra of Brahmacharini Durga. Om Hrim Srim Brahmacharini Durgayai Namaha. Om Hrim Dum Durgayai Namaha. Now let us see what is the Siddha mantra of Chandraghanta Durga. Om Hrim Srim Chandraghanta Durgayai Namaha. Om Hrim Dum Durgayai Namaha. So these were the Siddha mantras. Now let us see the benefits of these Siddha mantras. The first Shailaputri Siddha Durga mantra will protect you from all negativities. It will activate devotees Muladhara Chakra. All Shaktis of Muladhara Chakra and Mother Shailaputri will start helping you to solve your problems. The Brahmacharini Siddha Durga mantra will help you to gain self-control over negative emotions. It will give devotee all-round success in his life. Swadhisthana Chakra will get activated. All Shaktis of Swadhisthana Chakra will start helping devotees of Brahmacharini in his life. All types of negative doshas can be removed with this mantra and protects you from all types of negative energies and tantric attacks. The Chandraghanta Siddha Durga mantra will help you to remain calm in every situation, which helps your inner divine progress. All types of sins done by you can be removed by this mantra. Where the devotee of Chandraghanta goes, negativity cannot stand there for a long time. Manipura chakra gets activated by the mantra of Mother Chandraghanta. All types of negative and tantric attacks can be removed by this mantra. So these were the some of the benefits of chanting Siddha Durga mantra. You will get more benefits. You just chant it and experience it. So these were some details about first 3 Durga mothers. If you are willing to take Durga Saptashati Kunjika Stotra meditative Diksha from my Guru Parampara, please check the link in the description, or you are always free to take Diksha from your well-known Sri Vidya Parampara. In today's Satsanga, we saw 3 divine forms of Mother Durga. In the next Satsanga, we will see the next 3 divine forms of Mother Durga, their Siddha mantra and benefits. Thank you all devotees. Sri Matre Namaha, Sri Matre Namaha, Sri Matre Namaha.